What's this?
This is a Range Rover Evoque that somebody tried to do a timing belt on without the correct timing tools, and now all the valves are bent. Not all the valves, some of the valves. So we're gonna have to pull the head off and work out what's going on. Now it's misfiring too. So this got towed to us from another shop. It's had the timing belt replaced, and they either didn't use the timing tools or incorrectly used the timing tools. These engines do not have a keyway on the cam and crank pulleys, so you have to use the locking tool, pull the starter motor out and lock the flywheel. What's more than likely happened here, although we won't know until we get the head out, is either we've had a valve hit a piston or a rocker let go or something, because when it came to us the timing was out by about 4 teeth. We've since fixed it and had it running as you just saw, and it's not going very well at all.